Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Siri and search. No detours. Once there, make sure you know which suggestion type is showing the contact: contacts, search, lookup, or lock screen. Tap each section to see toggles labeled suggestions and learn from this app. Turn off suggestions for the specific areas where the contact appears. This prevents Siri from offering that profile in those contexts. Doing this now reduces future reappearance, while you move on to the targeted removal steps. Now remove the individual suggestion entries directly. When a contact appears as a suggestion, press and hold it in the app, then tap Remove or Suggest Less. This teaches Siri not to surface it. Next, open Contacts and clean up extraneous info. Delete nicknames, recent notes, or linked social accounts that trigger matching. Once done, return to Siri and search and disable Learn from this app for any app that contributed data. These steps ensure both the item and its learning signals are removed. To finish, clear Siri and dictation history to expunge stored suggestion data. Find that option in Siri and search. Once cleared, restart your device so changes propagate across Spotlight, Search, and Lock screen. After reboot, verify that the contact no longer appears. If it still does, make sure your iOS is up to date and wait a few minutes for iCloud sync to settle. If suggestions persist, sign out and back into iCloud or contact Apple support. Those steps fix stubborn sync or indexing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.